Namaste, a warm welcome to all my beloved friends and respected teachers. Today, let us try to understand an important rule that we very frequently come across in high school syllabus, that is, a negative quantity times another negative quantity is always a positive quantity. So here minus 3 means negative 3 into negative 2, you know that it is always positive 6. So wonderful. But how to explain this? Here is a small activity through which I wanted to tell you this point. In YouTube channel, there are many videos are there to explain this rule. I am really inspired from all of them, and my one of my mentor VSS Shastri ji from Kolar, way back in 2007 only, has tried to explain how is this minus 1, negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. So he has compiled about 25 different varieties of explanation for this. So he is a very popular origamist and a science communicator also, and this is worth studying this book. If it's possible, you try to read this. Now today, with the help of a number line concept only, we shall try to understand how is this a negative quantity times another negative quantity is a positive quantity. Okay. What is a number line? A number line is nothing but a line on which the real numbers are marked. Real numbers means rational and irrational put together forms a set of real numbers. Here we have denoted only the integers only, positive integers and negative integers. So here is 0 at the center. This is towards the right. So on the right side of this 0, we have written positive integers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc., etc. And these are the negative integers to the left of 0. Okay, so this is the left of 0, this is the right of 0. Okay, now these negative integers can be thought of the mirror image of the positive integers only. For this, to understand this, you try to hold it exactly at the point 0 and take a mirror and place it in front of it. See, place it in front of it, and you can see the mirror image. It happens to be, it appears to be the negative integers only. Okay, so the negative integers can be thought as the mirror image of the positive integers only. Yes. Now, to begin with, let us consider two integers like say 3 and 2 be the two integer for our to explain this rule. So 3 and 2, and what is that we need to do? We need to multiply 3 and 2. What is multiplication? Multiplication is nothing but the short form of addition only. This is nothing but addition. In the short form we are going to do. So let us try to multiply 3 and 2. We know that it is very clearly it is equal to 6. Okay. Now we call this 3 as multiplicand. So this 3 is called as multiplicand. Multiplicand means the number which is to be repeated. So this is the 3 is the number which is to be repeated. How many number of times? That is decided by the number 2. So this number 2 is called multiplier. See the terms? This 2 is called multiplier. So multiplier 2 means the number 3 has to be repeated 2 times and it has to be added. And that is 3 plus another 3, so 2 times, and the sum is very clearly equal to 6 only. So this 2 is called as the multiplier. So these concepts of multiplicand and multiplier, it is worth recalling them so that it will help us to understand this process. Now, this 6 is called as the product. Okay, this 6 is called as the product. Okay, now let us assign signs for the multiplicand and the multiplier. So let us begin with for this multiplicand 3, let us assume that it is plus 3 only. Okay, so this, for this let us attach this sign plus 3. And for the multiplicand also, let us assign a sign like this. Okay, this is, let it be positive 2. So positive 3 and positive 2. Though this is case number 1. Now, a very important assumptions we are going to make from here onwards. That is, the first assumption is, let us assume, let us take a toy, something like this, a dog, okay, a monkey, something like this, and it is moving forward and backwards. Okay, let us keep this toy dog, see, exactly at the point 0. It is like this. Okay, now here are the some of the assumptions that we are going to make. Now this sign positive means that the dog is facing forward direction. Okay, so this is called forward direction. So this positive 3, this positive 3 means the dog is facing forward direction. Okay, forward means on the right side. See, the dog is looking at the right side. So this is the right side. Once again, I would like to place it here. So plus 3 means, plus means the dog is facing towards the right. And if there is a minus sign here, so let me remove this plus and keep this minus sign here. In such a case, so the dog is not looking forward, but it is looking towards the left. It is looking towards the left like this. Okay, so this is the meaning of the plus and minus sign attached to multiplicand. So if it is facing the right, it is positive. So if it is facing like this, we must assume this as positive. And if it is looking, if it is facing the left, you must assume that the sign is negative. Is this clear to you? This is the first assumption. Okay. So let me keep in this direction only and plus positive sign here. Okay, let us take up the multiplier case. So multiplier is positive 2. What is this positive 2 says? This plus sign says that this dog is moving forward. That is the meaning of this plus sign in the multiplier. So this sign, plus sign, says that it is moving, that is facing right. If it is negative, then you must assume that the dog is facing the left side. It is like this. Okay, so it is facing left. It may face right or it may face left. If it is facing left, then for multiplicand we must use negative sign. If it is facing right, you must use the positive sign. Okay. Now this plus means now let us try to understand multiplier case. In the multiplier you can see the positive sign is there. Positive sign means it is moving in the forward direction. Say if it is a negative sign is there in the multiplier, then you must assume that the dog is moving backwards like this. It is moving backwards like this. It is hopping, jumping like this, and it is facing right but jumping backwards. So that is the mean. Okay, backward means like this, but facing right but moving backwards. So that is the meaning of minus sign. So minus sign indicates that it is jumping backwards. If the sign is positive, then you must assume that it is moving forward direction. Okay. So if it is positive, you must assume that it is facing left, and if the sign is negative here, you must assume that it is facing this is facing left and this is facing right. Okay. So the sign here in the multiplicand, so if it is positive, it is facing right, it is like this. If it is negative, then you must say that the dog is not facing like this, it is facing towards the left. Okay, so that is the meaning. So with these assumptions, I think we can happily understand how negative quantity times negative quantity is a positive quantity. Okay, let us take this example only. Plus 3 into plus 2. So let me remove these things and keep it aside. And okay, so now plus 3 into plus 2. So what do you mean by plus 3 in the multiplicand? Plus means it is facing right. It is the dog is facing towards the right. Okay, see the dog is facing towards the right side. Therefore, the sign carrying by multiplicand is positive. Okay, it is at 0. Now, how many jumps it is making, that is given by this number multiplicand. So 3 it is here. So it is making 3 jumps. One jump of 2 units and another jump. So it will come to 4. In the third jump, it will come to 6. So that is the meaning of plus 3. So this plus 2 means, this plus means it is moving in the forward direction, not in the backward direction. Since the plus sign is there, the dog is moving in the forward direction. How many units in each jump means it is jumping 2 units in each jump. So let me keep these pieces aside and see, this is the meaning. So it is jumping like this. It is hopping or jumping. Okay, so it is in one jump, it has covered 2 units. That is the multiplier 2. This is second jump. This is the third jump. So plus 3 means it is making 3 jumps, and in each jump it is jumping by 2 units. Therefore plus 3 into plus 2, here you can see it is plus 6. Therefore we say it is, the product is plus 6 only. This is case number 1. Okay, is it clear to you? So the dog will be, it was here in the beginning. So this is the first jump, this is the second jump. In the third jump, it will be here, exactly it will be here. Or let me keep it here, it will be here in this position. So this is the meaning of plus 3 into plus 2. Now like this, there are about 8 different cases are there. Now we have understood plus 3 into plus 2. Similarly, plus 3 into minus 2, minus 3 into plus 2, minus 3 into minus 2. So let us take a one by one now. So let me remove this and this also. Okay, let me keep the pointer here exactly, and the dog, let us imagine to be at 0. Now let us take the second case. The second case is plus 3 into minus 2. So plus 3 is here. So let us remove this and keep minus sign here. So this is minus 2. Okay. Now what is the meaning of this? Let us first try to understand this. So plus 3 means, plus means it is facing the right side. So it is facing right. Okay. The dog is facing the right direction. So right means this side. So this is right direction. Okay. So 3 means it is making 3 jumps. 3 times it is going to hop. So 1 time, 2 times and 3 times, something like this. So 1 time, 2 time and 3 times. That is the meaning of this 3. Okay. Now minus 2 is there in the multiplier. Minus 2 means, minus means it is facing right, but it is jumping backwards. Every time it will jump 2 units backwards. So in such a case, where it will be here. So you can see this now. So this is the first jump. So this is the backward direction because of negative. So this is the first jump, second jump and the third jump. So the dog will be facing right, but it will be in this position. So where it is actually at minus 6. Therefore, what is plus 3 into minus 2 means it has to be negative. So this is negative. Okay. Let me go to the third case wherein minus 3 into plus 2. Let us try to understand this case. So let me remove all these things. So now we have to understand minus 3. So let us remove this plus also and keep minus here, and this we shall replace it by plus. So this is minus 3 into plus 2. Okay. What do you mean by minus 3? Minus 3 means the dog is facing not to the right, but it is facing to the left. Okay. So it is facing left now. So minus 3 means it is facing towards the left. So let me keep the dog at 0 but facing towards the left side. So how many jumps it is making? It is going to make 3 jumps. And let us come to multiplier now. It is plus 2. So plus 2, plus means it is moving forward only. So since it is facing this side, that is right, left side, forward means this direction, not this direction. So it has to move in this direction, forward direction only, because multiplier has got positive side. And how many units it has to jump at every stage? So it has to make 2 jumps. So that is can be understood like this. So see now, so this is the forward movement. The dog is jumping 1 jump, 2 jump and 3 jump. So in each jump it has to travel a distance of 2 inches. Here the scale is in inches has been drawn. So this is the first jump. So 2 units. This is the second jump. It has come to 4. So this is the third jump. So the dog will be at minus 6. Therefore minus 3 into plus 2 is always minus, that is negative only. Okay, next case is a very very important case, that is -3 into -2 we have to understand. Now this is very very important case. Okay, yes. So -3, this we will make it negative. So -3 into -2. Okay, let us try to understand what do you mean by -3 first. So -3 means the dog is facing, do you think that it is facing right or left? Minus sign indicates that the dog has to be face left side. So let us keep the dog like this. So it is facing left, and let us keep it exactly at 0. So how many jumps it is making? That is given by this number 3. It is making 3 jumps. So now this is to be multiplied by -2. Minus means it is moving backward direction. So for this, backward direction is this. So it has to move this side. Okay, by at each jump it has to travel 2 units. So okay, so that we can think like this. Okay, see, it is making 3 jumps in the backward direction because it is facing left. The backward means this direction. So 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jumps. So now it is at +6. Therefore -3 into -2 is always +6 only. So this is the kind of explanation we can think of for this negative quantity into another negative quantity. Remaining the multiplication you can only try at home and try to understand it better. Before I conclude, I have to thank one young teacher, a very promising teacher, Jadesh from Government Adarsha Vidyalaya, Surapura, Yadgiri district, and he is helping me to edit this video, all my videos, and upload it to YouTube channel. So I thank a young man, a young teacher, a promising teacher, Jadesh from Yadgiri district. So see you in my next video, wherein I am going to share with you the concept of projection of a line segment upon a straight line. Thank you very much. Namaste.